This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, AWD, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Right, we're back. Let's take a look at the result. So you see the Deepal actually did it quite well. 4.8 seconds, and according to spec it's 5.5, so it's a lot faster in the spec, despite that we have winter tires. In general, winter tires would make things slightly slower, maybe 1/10 or 2/10 of a second, but wow, this is quite impressive. Yeah, and the car doesn't weigh that much, and it has some decent horsepower, so okay, quite a quick car, yeah, absolutely. When it comes to noise, Deepal themselves, they claim that at 100 kilometers per hour they have around 62 decibel, but maybe that was tested on really smooth asphalt. But here, there's no way we can get those low numbers on practical road surface in Norway with some wear and tear. So here, when it comes to noise, well, let me see, position 176, and then the highest here is at position 130, and then the lowest is 200, and wow, okay, I mean, it's still in the upper half, right? Yeah, so it's still decent noise level here, along with Model X and actually i4 M50 and some Highland and stuff. So I mean, it's still okay, but I mean, we're talking about 65 decibel average here, and we'll see some of the quietest cars out there. If you're gonna get that noise level that they claim, you kind of need to have a Kia EV9 or the SQ6 e-tron or something. Yeah, but it's all based on the surface. So overall though, the Deepal actually performs quite well when it comes to the acceleration and noise levels. That's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.